This is my Great Plains Escapade, the second one. After breaking completely in half on my last flight, glued it back together. You can see the craftsmanship. Recovered it, both sides. The engine cowl. Nice touch. Has a OS 0.40 reliable nitro engine on it. Pretty impressed with its performance. Getting ready to do some winter ice flying with it. Plan on putting my snow skis on maybe today or pretty soon. Shot of the inside. My Spectrum 6-channel digital receiver. Futaba servos. Some extra padding. And I found the canopy likes to pop off in flight sometimes, so I got these rubber bands. Just a nice safety to hold it in place. One less thing I have to worry about losing. So, there it is, put back together. Getting ready to go up, do some snow flying with it. Winter in Wisconsin. There's a little shot. And today's the 11th of December, 2010. And nothing but snow here in good old Wisconsin. Here's the wing, also put back together. Not bad. This is from a previous crash on Thanksgiving, I think. No, longer. Escapade. This is a golf pencil glued into the wing to hold it to the airplane. Seems to work pretty good. All I have to do is get a new servo for the ailerons. That's why it crashed last time. Bad servo. Happens, I guess. Not often, but... Alright, keep you posted. Here's my 26cc gas 2-stroke engine on the Seagull Superstar. Also a fun plane to fly. Here's my wing I'm in the process of building still. 89-inch wingspan for my Cessna, which is getting there slowly but surely. I built it all from scratch pretty much. Getting ready to put in some rear servos for the tail, rudder, and elevator. I also have a 45cc engine for that one. Good thing I bought it 3 years ago. Have yet to use it. That ought to take it up. Probably way too much for it, but big is good, right? So maybe we'll get to fly that someday. I'll keep you posted. Here's my Blade CX3. It's all updated with the aluminum, everything. Got the Army body on it. It's a good flyer. Just lost my interest. It's been sitting in the case for the last 2 years now. Kind of a waste of money, but what are you gonna do? let it sit, I guess. Here's one of my gliders. It has a gas engine on it. I think that's a .08. Made in Italy, it says. I've yet to ever fly this. My dad got it for me for Christmas, used off of Craigslist, and here it sits. Not something I'm used to flying, kind of scared to take it up and fly it. Here are the wings for it. I think it's a 106-inch wingspan. Maybe someday I'll work up the courage to take it up. This is my skis I'm going to put on the Escapade I flew last winter. You'll see on my snowplane videos. I made these out of balsa. Pretty good. It needs a runner though to keep it. I take it on the ice, it just blows around. It needs some sort of, maybe a train track or something I'll put on there. It's the other ski. Good flying skis. And I have a tail ski for the rudder on it. There's the Escapade, and pretty soon I'll have the skis on it and we'll do some winter flying. Can't wait.